Welcome to Tea on Taxes. I'm Gin Nixon. I am an AFSP tax analyst here at R&F Tax Group. We are located in the Clear Lake, Texas area. And if this is your first time here, what we do is we sip some tea, as I spill the tea, as the kids like to say, to help make taxes simple and stress-free. Okay? So let's go ahead and dive into today's topic. Is your craft a hobby or is it actually a business? Now, what you need to ask yourself is, how does the IRS decide if it's a hobby or business? How do they know? And it all boils down to your intent, and your activity level. So what does that mean? Well, first, are you in it to win it? Because the IRS is looking to see if you're trying to make a profit. And if you're just crocheting for fun and occasionally selling your items, then it's probably a hobby. But if you're actively working to make money, you're selling your crafts regularly, you're advertising, you're hitting up craft fairs, then that's probably a business. The next thing is, hobbies are what we do for fun in our free time, like me, crocheting these little blankets for my little grandson, or playing video games. Those are hobbies. But businesses take it up a notch. Now, with a business, you're tracking your expenses, you're doing the marketing, and you're reinvesting your profits that you get for your items to make more items, from materials for more items and more product. That's a whole different level of commitment. And also, hobbyists don't keep detailed records. We don't keep detailed financial records of everything we buy. Like, I could not tell you how much I've spent on yarn this year. I really probably don't want to know. And if you ever find out, please don't tell my husband. But a business, you've got to track every dollar, every expense, all the income that's coming in and everything between, because there is just no wiggle room here. Now, take this blanket. If I decide I want to go ahead and give it to a friend, it's a hobby. But if I start making a ton of these blankets, and I decide to go ahead and try to sell them on eBay and Etsy, or go to craft markets, then it becomes a business. So why does this even matter? I mean, what's the big deal? Well, if it's a hobby, you can't deduct any of the expenses I did to make this item. But that income is still taxable, that money I got for selling it. Because in the US, all worldwide income is considered taxable. Now, if it's a business, I can deduct the things like the materials, like the yarn, the crochet hooks, or even the place where I leave my yarn. It's as a home office expense. But there's a catch. I need to show profit, because the IRS can retroactively reclassify my business as a hobby and take away all those deductions if I don't consistently show that there is profitability in my activity. Now, if you're unsure whether your crafting falls into a hobby or into a business, you can always leave your questions in the comments, and I'd love to help. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next episode of the Tea on Taxes, okay? Until next time, cheers to sipping and saving. Bye.